Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can activate the Flexiroam eSIM. So it differs from iOS to Android. I'm going to do iOS. So from the home screen first, you have to go to settings and then mobile cellular data. So this one, and then add data cellular plan and then tap eSIM right there. And then you just use QR code and then scan the QR code. And then you just need to tap continue, select your primary number as default line when prompted, and then ensure allowable switching is off. So it's off right there, right? And then go to cellular mobile plan and tap on your newly installed eSIM. So it's this one, the new one. And then tap on the mobile plan label and then rename the eSIM the same as the data plan name. So rename this to the same one as your data plan name. And then to start using the eSIM, you just go to settings, cellular mobile plan mobile data again, and then tap on primary, switch off, and then turn on this line. So like this. And then go to cellular mobile data, tap on data plan, switch on, under turn on this line. So turn on this one on your new eSIM. So turn on this line. And then go back to cellular mobile data page, select data plan, and then switch on data roaming down there. And now your eSIM should be activated.